Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a user onboarding flow with WalkMe detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WalkMe account. Once logged in, navigate to the WalkMe editor. Click on the Create New Walkthrough button to begin. Choose a relevant title for your onboarding flow. Select the type of onboarding process you want to create, such as tooltips, pop-ups, or interactive guides. Identify the main goals of your onboarding flow. Outline the key steps that new users need to follow. Begin by selecting the application or website where the onboarding will take place. Use the WalkMe Builder to create your first step. Drag and drop elements to your desired location on the page. Add text descriptions to explain each step clearly. Incorporate visuals where necessary to enhance user understanding. Set up triggers for each step to dictate when they should appear. Define the user path to ensure a smooth flow through the onboarding process. Test each step within the WalkMe editor to verify functionality. Make adjustments as necessary based on your testing results. Consider adding a progress tracker to help users visualize their journey. Review your onboarding flow for clarity and completeness. Ensure all actions lead to tangible outcomes for the users. Once satisfied with the flow, publish your walkthrough. Monitor user feedback and engagement after rollout. Make improvements based on user interaction and insights gathered. Continuously iterate on the onboarding process for optimal user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.